For standing line, firstly, we put our pencil in first line. Okay. Now go down from top to bottom. Okay. Like that till the third line. This is standing line. Okay. This is standing line. For standing line, we put our pencil in first line. Okay. Now go down till the third line. Okay. Right. Very good. Put our pencil in first line and go from top to bottom. This is standing line. What is this? Standing line. Very good. Put our pencil in first line and go down. Okay. Put our pencil in first line and go down. This is standing line. What is this? Standing line. What is this? Standing line. Okay. Standing line. Now we put our pencil on first line. Now go down from top to bottom till the third line. This is standing line. What is this? Standing line. Okay. Put our pencil in first line and go down, down, down till the third line. Okay. From first line, go down, down, down till the third line. Put our pencil in on first line and go down, down, down. Okay. Very good. Put our pencil first line and go down, down, down till the third line. Understood, everyone? Okay. Now put our pencil first line, go down till the third line. Put our pencil first line and go down, down, down till the third line. Put our pencil first line and go down from top to bottom till the third line. Yes, very good. Till the third line. Okay. Put your pencil first line like that. Okay. Now go down, down, down. Yes. Put our pencil first line and go down till the third line. Okay. Very good. Put the pencil on first line and go down, down, down. Put the pencil on first line and go down, down, down. Put the pencil on first line and go down, down, down. Put the pencil first line, go down, down, down. Yes? Very good. Put the pencil on first line and go down. Put the pencil first line and go down. Very good. Put the pencil first line and go down. Okay. Very good. You have to keep practice of standing line. Understood everyone? आपको क्या करना है? Standing line की practice करनी है. Yes, understood everyone? Okay. Now we will learn A, B, C. Okay. So let's start A, B, C. Yes. What is this? A. What is this? A. Apple. Apple. A, A, A. A, A, A. Yes. Speak with me. A, apple. A, apple. A, A, A. A. Speak with me. Everyone speak with me. A, apple. A, apple. A. A. Where is A? Where is A? Yes. A, apple. Okay. A, apple. Now, A, apple. A, apple. A, apple. A, A. A. Very good. You have to speak with me. This is capital A and this is small a. Okay? This is capital and this is small. Very good. Now this is B. What is this? B ball. B ball. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. B ball. B ball. Ba ba ba. Okay? B ball. B ball. This is capital B and this is small b. Okay, this is small b. Now here is C. C ka cat. C ka cat. Ka ka ka. Ka ka ka. C ka cat. C ka cat. Ka ka ka. Ka ka ka. And this is capital C and this is small c. Okay, capital C and this is small c. Now next is D. What is this? D. D da dog. D da dog. Da da da. Da da da. D da dog. D da dog. Da da da. Okay, this is capital D and this is small d. Okay. This is capital and this is small. Now next is E, elephant. E, elephant. E, elephant. Eh, eh, eh. Eh, eh, eh. E, elephant. E, elephant. Eh, eh, eh. Eh, eh, eh. Okay, this is capital E, and that is small e. This is capital E, and that one is small e. Yes, you speak with me. Everyone speak with me. F for fish. F for fish. F for fur. F for fur. F for fish. F for fish. F for fur. F for fur. And this is capital F, and that is small f. Okay, capital and small. Now next is G. What is this? G. G g g G g grabs. G g g g g g G g grabs. G g grabs. G g g. Okay. G g grab. G g grab. Okay. What is the sound of G? G g g g g g. This is capital G and this is small g. Okay. This is small g. Very good. Okay. Now here is some activity for you. What is this? Some activity. Okay, so let's start. We will do. Okay, so let's start. Just wait a second. Yes, okay. Yes, look, match. हमको क्या करना है? We have to match upper case letter with lower case. हमें capital letter, we have to match capital letter with small letter. Okay, capital letter with small letter. So let's start. Okay, so firstly done for you. First has done for you. First, yes. B. Here is B. So B. Okay. Here is capital B and here is small b. So we match B to B. Okay. Now here is balloon. Okay. Balloon. Now here is A. So where is A? Yes. Here is A. We match A with small letter. Okay. Now here is A apple. Yay. A apple. Okay. Now we have to match G. Got. Where is small g? Yes, here is small g. Okay. And got. Giga got. 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 Ga ga ga. Ga ga ga. Okay. Now C. Where is C? Yes. Here is C. Sika. Sika car. Sika car. Okay. Sika car. Sika car. Ka. Ka. Now here is E. E. E for eagle. E for eagle. Where is small e? Now here is small e a eagle. E a eagle. Eh eh eh. Eh. Okay. Now next one is D. D the duck. D the duck. D the duck. Da da da. Da da da. D the duck. D the duck. Da da da. Da da. We match capital D from small d. Okay. What we will match? Capital D with small d. Okay. So let's we take this color. Okay. F for fish. Where is small f? Here. Here is small f. So we match F. And F for flag. F for flag. Okay. B balloon. A apple. G got. C car. E eagle. D the duck. F for flag. Okay. Very good. Now I'm solving your doubt one by one.